Benling, founded in 2004 and headquartered in Dongguan, China, is committed to providing efficient, eco-friendly, and convenient mobility solutions for users worldwide. After years of technological advancement, Benling has evolved into a comprehensive enterprise that integrates the R&D, production, sales, service, and energy solutions for electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers. With a manufacturing base of over 60,000 square meters and an annual capacity of 600,000 units, Benling offers advanced OEM/ODM capabilities and delivers exceptional quality through meticulous precision engineering. With over 30 years of vehicle manufacturing experience, Benling has developed a mature, efficient, and scalable production system. Leveraging end-to-end ERP management, Benling ensures precise control across all stages, supported by a comprehensive quality chain and a reliable warranty and service network, delivering consistent product quality and professional support. Building on its robust manufacturing system, Benling has developed a complete product lineup that includes electric motorcycles, electric bicycles, and electric tricycles. Benling delivering mobility solutions for commuting, commercial use, family riding, and urban logistics. With an annual R&D investment of 10 million yuan, Benling focuses on core smart technologies, IoT, and long-range capabilities, continuously driving product innovation and upgrades. Through continuous innovation, Benling has been recognized as a specialized and innovative enterprise and certified as a high-tech enterprise, holds the National Electric Motorcycle Production Qualification, and is certified to multiple international standards, including ISO 9001, ULEC, DOT, and EPA, with its quality recognized worldwide. In China, Benling maintains a robust domestic network of approximately 400 first-tier distributors and nearly 1,000 retailers, ensuring extensive sales and service coverage. Globally, Benling products exported to 66 countries and regions across the Americas, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, with long-range models highly regarded by overseas users. To accelerate its global expansion, Benling has established sales companies and service centers since 2020 across Southeast Asia, Cambodia, Malaysia, and Pakistan, North America, Mexico, South America, Colombia and Brazil, and Africa, Nigeria, and Egypt, building a long-term presence in key electric vehicle markets worldwide. Driven by technology, Benling remains true to its mission, continuously innovating to provide smarter and more efficient mobility solutions for businesses and consumers, advancing the industry and making green transportation safer, more convenient, and more accessible.